Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Riders.
Please subscribe, like, share and subscribe but don't hit the notification. Thank you.
In today's episode, we are going to ride the off-road truck. In the last episode, I think you saw it. We rode the off-road truck to the basement and stuff. Now we are going to do it in the home, but this time my cousin right here made one trap which I don't know, and I should be able to solve it without getting trapped in the trap. And please, as he said, my brother, like, share and subscribe, and if you want, only if you want, hit the notification bell. It will be so funny. Please don't do that, please. So guys, this is our off-road truck and this is the trap. Trap means I made a track, but leave it. No. It should be harder. You guys done? Because I tried this, but it was too hard. And these socks are the trap by which the car come, and the car can be stuck in between them. And the last one, from here to here. If the car will come in front of it, and it will this monopolist cardboard will be down, so we cannot do. So means we are out. Okay friends, let's do this. I'm very sorry. Why I'm saying sorry? Let's do this. Okay, start, Karthik.
Okay, stop.
As you saw, Karthik's car off-road car was stuck in between this. So, Karthik, you must try again.
I hope not 550 tries.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh man, what a sudden stop. Means now Karthik's second chance is also over.
Okay. Now.
Totally, I will give Karthik 5 chances. That much only.
That's impossible.
Yeah, it is possible. Again, like the first time only, the third time also Karthik failed. Whoa! So close. Okay, it's the 5th one. I think he will lose.
Wait, no.
Again. What? You lose. I think you lose.
Please, can I have another chance?
Friends, you tell in the comment box. Can he is worthy of getting another chance? But next time